In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet shows the wrong currency symbol or you're collaborating with people in different regions, updating the currency format keeps your numbers clear and consistent. This process won't convert exchange rates. It simply changes how the numbers are displayed, like switching from dollars to euros or yen with the correct symbol and formatting. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. At the top right of the page, you'll see the Google Apps icon, the small grid made of dots. Click that to open the Apps menu, and then choose Sheets. This takes you into Google Sheets, where you can access your files. Open the spreadsheet you want to edit, so we can apply the new currency format exactly where it's needed. Next, highlight the data you want to change. You can drag to select specific cells, or click a column letter to select an entire column if all of those values represent money. Selecting first is important. It tells Sheets exactly where to apply the new format and prevents accidental changes elsewhere. With your range selected, go up to the menu bar and click Format. In the drop-down, hover over Number to reveal more options. From there, choose Custom Currency. This opens a dedicated window that lets you fine-tune how your currency looks, beyond the default presets. In the Custom Currency window, pick the currency you need. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to find it quickly, by name, country, or code, like USD or EUR. You'll also see options to control how the symbol appears, the number of decimal places, and how negative values are displayed. For example, you can show cents or hide them if you always work with whole amounts. And you can choose whether negatives use a minus sign or parentheses. These details help ensure your reports meet your team's standards. Once you've set your preferences, click Apply. Your selected cells will immediately update to the new currency format, with the correct symbol and formatting. If something doesn't look right, simply reselect the cells and reopen Custom Currency to adjust the settings. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Formatting only changes the appearance of numbers, not their underlying values. If your cells contain text like typed symbols or extra spaces, clean those up first so the format applies correctly. And if you want your entire sheet to use the same currency, select the relevant columns or the whole sheet before you format, so everything stays consistent. That's it. Your data now displays in the currency you need, cleanly and accurately.